requesting on stage the esteemed presence of a man. He's an absolute brilliant of a person in the true sense of the term. He's known for his incredible policy making, governance, and most importantly, for his dedication towards winning the loyalty of his people, and he's done some credible work. I'm going to be requesting the esteemed presence of our esteemed chief guest, Ashish Shelar sir, over here on stage. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us, taking out time from your busy schedule. And I'm going to request the bouquet so that Batra sir can please give it to Shelarji for the token of appreciation. Can I have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? This is the moment we have been waiting for. Thank you so much, sir. And we look forward to hearing you, sir. Dr. Batra, I'll request you to take your seat. Sir, if you can please kindly come over here and say a few words. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to everybody. Actually, I am running out of time for the simple reason that anybody and everybody will agree with me for today if I'll go a little early. Because nobody will try to dare which I can dare today, that today is my wife's birthday, I'm still here. So hopefully you will allow me to go very quickly. Mr. Handa has wished me, but I'll certainly see that the wishes will reach to my wife. Anyway, I just wanted to congratulate all the winners. And the most important is that my friend, Mr. Batra, has invited me, and he sees that whenever he is in Mumbai, he tries to catch me up and makes me meet very important people of this country. So I'm really thankful to you, Mr. Batra. My only point which I wanted to quickly mention here is that obviously we all know that we all are in a position or a situation which is most challenging situation for the country. We all know how the supply chain has been choked. We all know what are the risks, geopolitical risks in which we all are facing. And we all know what are these strains our economy is facing. Obviously, under the able leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and all the efforts of value creators like all of you and the industry, we are trying to take the correct path in this difficult situation also. We are hoping that somebody did mention to me today morning that Mr. President of US has mentioned that within some days it should be called off, but I don't know what will be the statement tomorrow morning. But hopefully we'll pray for the best. But the most important point is that in a given situation and circumstances, how we can create the most out of it as a value, you all are expert about it. And this dream of Vikasit Bharat is not an individual's dream. It is a collective, inclusive dream. As the CFOs can visualize, can get an answer to a challenge situation, utilize a proper, not only accounting system, but an investment, and to get the best result out of it. This is an art in your hand. This is the speciality in your heart and mind. And therefore, this evening is very important for me. And therefore, I feel that I should be a part of the gathering where these vibes is situated. And these vibes I'm getting out of these gatherings and get together and summit. I wish all of you well. Wish that we all should give our best to see that we come out of this situation. And wish you all also progress in your respective career. And those who couldn't make today in this evening, as somebody did mention here that nobody's loser, there is a other day, there is a scope for those who couldn't make it this time, and those who have contributed their own way, I wish them also well. Thank you so much, and I am requesting Mr. Batra, allow me to give some awards, otherwise I will not get best reward at home. So thank you so much.
I'll request you to please kindly wait over there. Can I request all of you to please और जोर से बजाइए ताली for the one and only Ashish Shelar sir over here. Thank you. It's an absolute honor and privilege that you're over here. Thank you. You can take this. I'm going to be going ahead with the awards, and to do the honors on stage to join Shilar sir over here, I'm going to be requesting the presence of Dr. Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief, BW Business World and Founder Exchange for Media, alongside Mr. Paritosh Mathur, Head Wholesale Banking, IDFC First Bank. Can I have a huge round of applause for our esteemed presenters, ladies and gentlemen, for the first set of awards. We do a few awards now and then we move back to a keynote session and then we do the remaining awards post that. So thank you so much. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, can we go ahead and have our first award, please? This is Excellence in Cost Management and the gold. Congratulations, Nestle! Can I please have Mr. Garvit Chabra over here on stage? Congratulations, Garvit ji, बहुत बधाई हो आपको, to you and your entire team back there at Nestle. Can I request everybody at the audience to please clap it up a little loudly for him, please, Mr. Garvit, and of course the team of Nestle. बहुत shukriya. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. One request to all our esteemed winners from the day, please kindly stay back with us till the very end for a special group photograph. So that's an earnest request that I have. I'll quickly move on to our next award winner, please. It's now time for Excellence in Digital Transformation in Finance. Silver goes to, once again, Nestle at it. Congratulations, Team Nestle. For the silver, I'll request the presence of Mr. Naresh Sharma, Corporate Finance Business Partner, over here on stage. बहुत shukriya, Naresh ji. Congratulations to you for all the great work that you have done and your entire team back at Nestle. Kudos. Can you all clap it up? Ladies and gentlemen, please, it's a full house. We can do a lot better in the appreciation space. Thank you so much. In the best interest of time, we'll quickly move forward to the next award, please. It's now time once again for Excellence in Digital Transformation in Finance. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the silver goes to PepsiCo India Holdings. Congratulations, Ms. Jayashree Roy, Senior Director, Controls and Reporting, India. Congratulations, Ms. Roy, to you and your entire team back at PepsiCo. Can I request all of you to show some love and appreciation for the lady in the room, please? Thank you so much, ma'am. Kudos to you and your entire team. We'll quickly transition to the next award, please. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for Excellence in Digital Transformation in Finance. Brace yourself for the gold. Goes to EY Global Delivery Services. Congratulations, Chanakya Sharma ji, Director, GDS ES Finance Leader. Can I have you over here on stage, sir? Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody at the front, everybody at the back, if I may request, clap it up. Simple stuff. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's all that you need to do. Congratulations to you and your entire team back at EY. We'll quickly move on to the next award presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going ahead for Excellence in Financial Planning and Analysis. And the silver goes to, once again, Nestle. Congratulations, Team Nestle. Mr. Pulkit Gupta, congratulations. Esteemed Finance Business Partner Foods, Nestle. Kudos to you and your entire team for the incredible victory. If I may request, जैसा कि Dr. Batra ने पहले बोला था, clapping is good for the heart. So if you can please, if you care for your heart, please clap. Congratulations. Thank you. I'm gonna, sir, thank you so much. We are always happy to see you. Thank you, sir. Can you all clap it up for Ashish Shila, sir, once again, please? Thank you, sir. See you soon. And on that note, yes, sir, we have. Thank you, Ashish ji. बहुत shukriya. Ladies and gentlemen, can I request all of you to clap it up for Ashish ji once again, please? It's a big day for him. Still, he chose to take out time for us. So, sir, very, very grateful. And on that note, we will be now moving forward to the next award winner, please.
You know, I can be spontaneous and I'm not can we call Mr. Ricky on stage? Mr. Richard Ricky on stage. You can give a big round of applause to Mr. Rekhi.
Can you all clap it up for Mr. Richard, please, everyone? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us over here. And can we play this one again, please? It's now time for excellence in financial planning and analysis. And the silver goes to Zydus Wellness. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, team Zydus Wellness. Can I please have Mr. Sanket Parekh, Deputy General Manager? Congratulations, sir, to you and your entire team back at Zydus Wellness. Can I request everybody to give him a big round of applause? Everyone, please. Thank you so much.
I keep saying applause is for yourself because you'll build your karmic balance. Someday you'll not need the applause and your today's applause will come in handy. So please give him a bigger round of applause. You're clapping for yourselves and your friends and your fraternity.
I'll also request Mr. Rupak Jain from IDFC to please kindly come up on stage as well and join us as an esteemed presenter. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm going to request on that note for the next award presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for excellence in financial planning and analysis. And the gold goes to Tesco Business Solutions. Congratulations, team Tesco. I request the presence of Mr. Ramamurthy Rajagopal ji, Finance Director and CFO. Thank you so much, sir. Bahut shukriya for joining us over here. Very, very grateful. Congratulations to you and your team. And just like Dr. Batra said, right now it's all about good karma. आप दूसरों की तारीफ करोगे, आप वो good karma attract करोगे खुद के लिए, and you take it forward in the long run for yourself. Congratulations, sir, to you and your entire team at Tesco. Thank you. We'll move on to the next award, please. It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, for excellence in governance and compliance. The silver goes to Nestle. Congratulations once again, Nestle at it. May I please have Mr. Rohit Kalra, Factory Co-Pilot. Congratulations, Rohit ji, to you and your entire team. This one is for Nestle. Congratulations. Come on, everybody, we all have consumed Nestle products in our life. You all can clap it up for that fact. That's the kind of legacy that the brand holds. On that note, we'll quickly move on to our next award winner, please. It's now time for excellence in governance and compliance. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the gold. It goes to Coromandel International. Congratulations, Coromandel International. I'll request Deepak Natarajan ji, the esteemed CFO, to please come up on stage and accept this. Congratulations, Deepak ji. Congratulations, Team Coromandel. Congratulations, Deepak ji. Thank you so much. Kudos for all the great work. That's certainly yielding results and how. And on that note, we'll move on to the next award, please. It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, for the silver in excellence in healthy balance sheet management. Congratulations to Transasia Biomedicals. Congratulations. May I please have Ms. Aditi Pai over here, the esteemed CFO, to please kindly join us over here. Congratulations. Can I request all of you to give Aditi ji a bigger round of applause, please? Thank you so much. Congratulations. Once again, gentle reminder to all the winners, stay back with us kindly right till the very end for a group photograph. We'll move on to the next winner, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for excellence in healthy balance sheet management. Brace yourself for the gold. Goes to SJS Enterprises. May I please have Ms. Soumya Moganti ji, VP Finance, to please kindly come up on stage. Bahut shukriya, sir. Thank you so much. Can I have a bigger round of applause for the fantastic duo from SJS Enterprises? I believe you all can give both of them a bigger round of applause, if I may request. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir, to you and your team, everyone. I request everyone to please kindly take their seats, and can you all please clap it up for them as well, please? बहुत shukriya, sir. Thank you so much. So like I mentioned earlier, we have one very interesting keynote session that's set to unfold right now, post which we will be resuming with the awards once again, and humble request to everybody to please remain with us right till the very end for a special group photograph, which is not just part of curating memory for the day, but also part of the coverage. So I'll request everybody to please remain with us. Now we are going to be having the keynote on building institutions, not just companies, leadership transition from CFO to CEO. We were just talking about this transition from CFO to CEO in a few sessions earlier. I believe we are going to be exploring that in a brilliant manner in the keynote that's set to unfold right now. We have with us today the esteemed presence of former Chairman and Managing Director, Bank of Baroda, Dr. Anil K. Khandelwal. Can I please have Mr. Khandelwal over here? Sir, what a pleasure to have you. Can I request the Thalio ki goons to continue as the interaction happens? Dr. Khandelwal, thank you so much. If I may please request you to come. Can you all please make some more noise and clap it up for him, please? Yeah. I'll get it, sir. You go over there. I'll get it. What do you want, sir? Tell me. Thank you so much, sir. What an absolute honor and privilege to hear you live in front of. Can you all please clap it up for him a little louder? Thank you so much, sir. I'm now going to be calling upon stage for the special jury address, Mr. Richard Recchi, former CEO, KPMG. For the same, can I please request all of you to clap it up for Mr. Richard as he makes his way to the stage for the special jury address for all of us. Thank you, sir. Pleasure. Yeah, Mr. Recchi.
Anurag, I did a part of my career at Arthur Andersen, and there they called everybody by the first name, whether it was the junior most or anybody. So I just thought what he was doing was okay. No, it's okay. Good you didn't work there. Anyway, so I'll just give I've been asked to speak on behalf of the jury. I know some awards have already been given because of the minister had to leave, so certain protocols. And Anurag ke saath, if anybody is there, he doesn't believe in protocol, so he'll give surprises all the time. But I can tell you one thing. In all my experience with him, he's one of the most genuine people you would ever meet, and I mean it. And I'm saying it from here. He connects people. He goes out of his way to connect. If you got anything, go to him. वो कुछ करके दिखा देगा, वो जादू निकालेगा. So, see, while I was not here in the morning sessions, I heard Dr. Khandelwal speak, and he spoke about Keval Handa speaking earlier. I was not there, but I would just like to leave two thoughts, all the CFOs sitting here. I mean, each of you should have something which I imbibed in my life, was the higher purpose. The higher purpose is the why of your life. Once you can understand why you do something, why did you join this company, why are you doing this particular action, and every action that you take while doing your work as a CFO, keep that as the prism through which you will look at your work. I'm sure you will never do the wrong thing. I'm not saying anybody does the wrong thing, but even when you're challenged, you should be able to push back, because this is not what my value systems. And values are not to be put on screensavers, on computers, or in cafeterias. Values have to be lived by the leaders. So you as the CFOs have to lead it. I thought more than 34% of the CFOs became CEOs, but you brought a data point there. I think more can become than 34%. And like somebody said, one should not have a tunnel vision. So to all the CFOs, higher purpose, authenticity, and living your values, living it, not talking about it to your team. Let your team get inspired by you. There are two categories of people. There's a boss and there's a leader. A leader inspires. Leaders inspires through his action. And if you can get inspired, I think Dr. Khandelwal, some of the points you put there. So basically, let me go through my script, which I have this thing. It's a privilege to represent the jury of the BW Best CFO Awards. This year, we witnessed some really outstanding entries, examples of finance leadership, leaders who are not only delivering strong financial performance, but also driving transformation. Few awards were given earlier for that: growth, innovation, resilience. I would add one word out here. We should become anti-fragile. It's very important. If you have not read this, please read this. This is now, anti-fragile is a little different from resilience. Resilience is where you bounce back. There's an issue, a challenge, and you bounce back. And when you become anti-fragile, you actually grow through a crisis, through a thing. So look at that. I would the CFO today is far more than the custodian of numbers. In fact, the CFO is not the custodian of numbers, in my view. A CFO is far beyond that. That is a controller's job. A CFO has to be a partner to the CEO. So while the CEO looks at sales, brand, reputation, a CFO has to look at everything else. He has to be the ideal partner for the CEO to look after the back office, the operations, ensuring the profitability of the organization. And also he has to show the CEO the real picture, the real mirror. When the rubber hits the road, this is the reality. वो CEO तो अपना vision बताएगा, right? So he has to show the reality to the CEO. And he should challenge him. The jury, of course, followed a very rigorous evaluation process, assessing the nominees on leadership impact, business contribution, governance, innovation, and financial excellence. Selecting the winners in certain cases was very challenging because some of the, while there is a winner that has to be chosen, but many people came very close to the winner and it was very difficult to decide as to who's the winner, and obviously then everybody gives their views and people are selected. I would also like to extend a very special thanks to Sharon Verma. I think the way she put all this together and to get all the jury members onto calls, those long calls, etc. Can we give a clap for her at least? For all the effort that she put in, bringing us all together, going through the process, and thank you very much. And to all the winners, congratulations. Some of you have already taken your awards. Maybe you give it back and take it again. On this well-deserved recognition, to all the finalists, your achievements. I think everybody, my view, the way I look at it, everybody who actually participated in the process showed courage to come there and participate in the process. So can we give a thing for all the people who did not win? You see, there are companies, I'll just share with you, there are companies which celebrate failure and they have become world beaters because they celebrate failures. And why they celebrate failures? Let me tell you, because they take learnings from there and new innovation comes out of those failed projects. So it is not, people feel scared to fail. Nobody rewards them, uska bonus chala jata hai. But there is a company called WG, I'm forgetting the name now of that company, but I read that story, abhi mere ko yaad nahi aa raha, jo only celebrates failures. And they got new innovative products came out of that, from failures. So Tata's does it in some way. They have now started celebrating failures, etc. And also I would like to thank the business world, BW Business World, for recognizing excellence and bringing together such a august gathering of CFOs. I think now we must give a clap for Anurag Batra for putting this whole thing together and bringing all of you here, the corporate world. And I was seeing some of the people, they've come from Bangalore, they've come from different cities. So this is a really melting pot, Anurag. Thank you. And congratulations once again. And please enjoy the evening today. Today is a day of celebration. So even if you don't drink, you have one drink today. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm truly grateful. Can I request all of you to clap it up a little louder for Mr. Rekhi, please? Thank you. We're going to be going ahead And resuming the awards and to do the honors on stage, I'm going to be once again calling up Dr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief, BW Business World and Founder, Exchange for Media, alongside Rupa Rajul Vora, ma'am, former Group CFO, IDFC Alternatives. Can I have a big round of applause for both of them, please? Thank you, ma'am, for joining us over here. And on that note, we would like to go ahead and have our first winner, please, as of now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Excellence in Crisis Management, and the silver goes to, congratulations, Hughes Communications India. Congratulations. May I please have Nipun Bansalji, VP and CFO, to please kindly come up on stage and accept this special recognition. Thank you so much. Can you all please clap it up a little louder for her, please? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. On that note, I'm going to, ma'am, please remain. I'm going to request for the next winner, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Excellence in Crisis Management, and the gold goes to LTM. Congratulations, Vipul Chandra, G, CFO of LTM. Can I please have Vipul Chandra, sir, over here? Bahut bahut shukriya, sir. Thank you so much. Can I request all of you to clap it up a little louder for sir, please, over here. Ladies and gentlemen, like Dr. Batra earlier said, clapping is good for the heart. If you care for your heart, clap it up louder, please. Thank you. And on that note, we will now move on to our next award winner, please. It's now time for Excellence in Financial Reporting. Brace yourselves for the silver, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to SVC Cooperative Bank, Mr. Saket Maheshwari ji, General Manager, CFO. Congratulations, sir. This is a result of your hard work and consistent efforts for the longest period of time. Can I request everybody to please clap it up a little louder for sir, please? Thank you. On that note, I'm going to be requesting for the next winner presentation, please. Once again, it's Excellence in Financial Reporting. And the gold goes to, congratulations, LTM added once again, Mr. Vipul Chandra. Sir, I'll request you to please come up on stage once again. This is your moment of pride and honor, and if you all can acknowledge this with a special round of applause for Vipul ji and his entire team. Thank you so much, sir. It's a full house, ladies and gentlemen. Mumbai, you're known for your love and spirit. If you all can continue that to the best way possible. Thank you. And requesting the winners to please kindly stay back with us for the group photograph. We'll move on to our next winner, please. It's now time for Excellence in Financial Transformation. Ladies and gentlemen, the silver goes to Star Health Insurance. Congratulations, Saurabh Bhanotji, Senior Vice President. Congratulations. This is truly, truly phenomenal. Can I please have you on stage, sir? Thank you. And if you all can please clap it up for him once again, ladies and gentlemen, for all the incredible efforts that he has put forward in order to ensure that the victory is his. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, Star Health Insurance. Bigger round of applause, please, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. And on that note, हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे to the next award presentation, please. It's now time for Excellence in Financial Transformation. And the gold goes to Battery Smart. Congratulations. Karthik ji, can I please have you over here on stage? Mr. Karthik, Assistant Manager. Thank you so much. Kudos to you and your entire team. And if you all can clap it up a little louder for him, please, ladies and gentlemen. This is a special victory indeed for Battery Smart. Can I request all of you to join your hands together? Like Dr. Batra earlier said as well, it's all karmic. You clap for others, you win. People clap for you as well. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, thank you. We'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for excellence in internal controls and risk management. And the gold goes to PepsiCo India Holdings once again. Congratulations, Team PepsiCo. Thank you so much, Ms. Roy, Senior Director, Controls and Reporting India. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again for your very, very special and stupendous victory. Can you all, ladies and gentlemen, show some more admiration for the incredible work that this lady over here and her entire team have put forward. Congratulations, Jayashree ji. Thank you so much. And on that note, we'll now move on to our next presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for excellence in investor relations. Silver goes to Crompton. Congratulations, Team Crompton. May I please have Kaleeswaran Arunachalam ji. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us over here. And he has been with us right since morning. He was a part of a session earlier as well. So if you all can kindly appreciate and admire his cooperation and presence and patience throughout. Thank you so much, sir. You all can clap it up a little louder. Congratulations. Thank you so much. On that note, we will now request for our next winner presentation, please. It's now time once again for excellence in investor relations. And the silver goes to, ladies and gentlemen, IKS Health. Congratulations, IKS Health. May I please have Nitya Balasubramanian ma'am over here, please. Thank you. She's the esteemed whole-time director and group CFO at IKS. Ladies and gentlemen, can I request all of you to please kindly make some noise and appreciate the incredible work done by her and her team. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you and your entire team. And on that note, we will now move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for excellence in mergers and acquisitions. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold goes to Mindspace Business Parks, REIT. Congratulations, Kedar Kulkarni ji, Head of Debt Funding and M&A at Mindspace. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And a bigger round of applause, if I may request, ladies and gentlemen, for Kedar ji. Congratulations. Can you all appreciate Kedar ji's incredible work a little louder, please? Thank you. Bahut shukriya. We'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for excellence in sustained wealth creation. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold goes to Transasia Biomedicals. Miss Aditi Pai, CFO, can I please have you back on stage once again? Congratulations, Aditi ji. A second victory now, so can you all please clap it up for her a little louder, ladies and gentlemen. If I may request all of you to show her more admiration. Thank you. Ma'am, thank you so much. I'm going to request you to take your seat. Can I please have all of you clapping it up for ma'am? And I'm going to request the presence of the esteemed former MD Pfizer and former Chairman Union Bank of India, Keval Handa sir, please on stage. Can I please have a huge round of applause for Handa sir as he comes on stage as an esteemed presenter to join Dr. Batra. You all can give sir a bigger round of applause for all the incredible work that he has done in his life. Thank you so much. We are going to be moving ahead with the next winner presentation, please. It's now time for excellence. And the gold goes to... Congratulations, Nestle! Congratulations, team Nestle. Thank you so much. I'll request Ashish Vijay ji, led Treasury, Insurance and M&A. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत shukriya. Congratulations to you and your entire team. Can you all please clap it up for Ashish ji and his work a little louder, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. On that note, we will now... Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. And on that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Pharmaceutical, and the gold goes to... Congratulations, M.V. Narasimham ji, esteemed CFO of Dr. Reddy's. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. What an absolute pleasure to have you over here. Ladies and gentlemen, if I may request, everybody at the front, everybody at the back, can you all please make some noise for Narasimham ji?
You know, Mr. Khandelwal, I've heard so much about you. I met you today, but I've heard about you from the time I was in a business school, which was 32 years back. And you talked about culture. And Mr. Aries, who's the CEO of the company that is winning this award, is here. He's come specially to cheer his CFO. So if Aries is... Oh, you're there. You're hiding. Backbenchers, right? I may request Aries to come here. Please give Aries and Mr. Narasimhan a big round of applause.
Thank you so much, sir. And like I truly believe, I said that earlier as well, India is a land of culture. Atithi Devo Bhava. So please, unke liye aur zor se thaliya, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. That's true example of team spirit and teamwork. Congratulations. Can we have the celebration going in? The picture we'll have again, and I'll request everybody to clap it up as well once again. Congratulations, Narasimham, sir. What a pleasure. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations to both of you. बहुत shukriya. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. We'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Agriculture, and the gold goes to... Congratulations, Deepak Natarajan ji, Chief Financial Officer at Coromandel International. Congratulations, Deepak sir. A big round of applause for him, please. Ladies and gentlemen, आप लोग अगर और जोर से ताली बजाओगे, our winners feel happier, and of course they get more driven towards excellence. Thank you so much, Deepak sir. Congratulations to you and your entire team back at Coromandel. And on that note, we'll swiftly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Energy and Utilities, and the silver goes to... Congratulations! A big round of applause for Debnath Mukhopadhyay ji, Chief Financial Officer, Syros Energy. A bigger round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Mukhopadhyay. A big round of applause, if I may request, aur zor se thaliyon ki goonj, please. Congratulations, Debnath sir. A big round of applause, and may many more awards and accolades keep coming your way. Thank you, sir. And on that note, we'll swiftly move on to the next winner presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, time now for Best CFO Energy and Utilities, and the gold goes to Mr. Saurav Mitra, Director of Finance and CFO, Petronet LNG. Congratulations, Mr. Mitra. Can you all clap it up a little louder for Saurav sir over here, please? Congratulations. Bigger round of applause is what I request. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Once again, humble reminder to all the winners. Please kindly stay back with us for the group photograph, and we'll move on to the next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Financial Services. Ladies and gentlemen, special mention. Congratulations, Miss Pinky Mehta, Chief Financial Officer at Aditya Birla Capital. Can I have Miss Mehta over here on stage? And ladies and gentlemen, as she makes her way to the stage, can you all show some more energy in the room by enhancing the aura and clapping it up for the lady over here? Congratulations, Miss Mehta. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Miss Mehta के लिए और जोर से ताली please, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, I'll request you to please take your seat. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Please clap it up for Handa sir over here. And I'm going to request Mr. Richard Recchi, former CEO KPMG, to please join us as an esteemed presenter. Thank you so much, sir. Can I please request all of you to appreciate his presence once again, this time as an esteemed presenter. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you. We'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Financial Services. And the silver goes to, congratulations, Mr. Akash Jain, Chief Financial Officer at Arvok Finance. Congratulations, Mr. Jain. Thank you so much for being with us over here. What a pleasure. Mr. Jain, ladies and gentlemen, can you all show him some love by showing some positive spirit in the room? Mr. Jain ke liye aur zor se taali please, everyone. Thank you. And on that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Financial Services. And the silver, brace yourselves for it, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Mr. Mandeep Mehta, Group CFO, PB Fintech. Mr. Mehta, can I have a huge round of applause for him, please? As he makes his way to the stage, there he is. Ladies and gentlemen, Mumbai, you can show him some more love for all the incredible work that he has put forward consistently. Thank you so much, sir. What a pleasure. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. And on that note, we'll now move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Financial Services. Let's get ready for the gold, ladies and gentlemen. Goes to Rajesh Raghunath Prabhuji, Chief Financial Officer at DBS Bank, India. Congratulations. Can you all make some more noise for Rajesh ji over here as he collects his very, very special award. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. I'll request for the next winner presentation, please. Best CFO Healthcare. And the silver goes to, congratulations, Mr. Ved Prakash Goel, Group CFO and CEO International Business at Dr. Lal Pathlabs. Congratulations. Mr. Goel, thank you so much. Can you all please make some more noise for him, please? Vedji over here, accepting this very, very special award honor. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. And on that note, we'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Healthcare. And the silver goes to Nitya Balasubramanian ji. Once again, congratulations for this incredible award. She's the esteemed whole-time director and group CFO at IKS Health. Congratulations, Nitya ji. This victory is truly, truly special and spectacular. Thank you so much. On that note, we'll request for our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Healthcare. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold. Congratulations, Mr. Sunil Kumar MR, Group CFO at Aster DM Healthcare. Can I have a bigger round of applause for him, please, as Sunil ji makes his way to the stage to accept his award. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. Can you all give him a bigger round of applause, please, everyone? Much needed in the room. Thank you. Congratulations, Sunil, sir. Thank you. We'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, for Best CFO Hospitality and Tourism. And the silver goes to Mr. Vikas Kapoor, Whole-Time Director and Chief Financial Officer at Travel Food Services. Can you all clap it up a little louder for Mr. Kapoor, please, as he makes his way to the stage? Thank you so much, Mr. Kapoor. Congratulations to you and your entire team back at Travel Food Services. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. Requesting all the winners to please stay back with us for the group photograph. Few more awards to be given away. And on that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Hospitality and Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the gold. Goes to CA Nishikant Upadhyay ji. Congratulations, the CFO at Cordelia Cruises, Waterways Leisure Tourism. Congratulations, Nishikant ji. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, if I may request all of you over here, it's not a very difficult task to just clap and appreciate for the winners. If you all can do it, please. That only makes our winners feel happier and more driven towards chasing excellence, which they already are at their very best. Thank you, sir. And on that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Media and Entertainment. And the gold goes to, congratulations, Mr. Pradeep Nimani, CFO at Red Chilies Entertainments. Congratulations, Mr. Nimani. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, at the corner, I see stuff a little dry. If you all can please clap and appreciate for our winners over here. That only makes them feel happier and more proud. So thank you. Congratulations, Mr. Nimani. Thank you so much for joining us over here. Wish you many more of these accolades moving forward. And on that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time to move your action to the real estate space. Best CFO Real Estate Silver goes to Mr. Sandeep Agarwal, Executive Director, Finance and Group CFO, Elan Group. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Mr. Agarwal, for joining us over here. A bigger round of applause. Thank you so much. Sir, I'll request you to please take your seat. Can you all clap it up for him, please? And I'm going to request the esteemed presence of Mr. Ritesh Gupta, and Mr. Paritosh Mathur from IDFC First Bank, please. Can I please have both the gentlemen over here on stage as esteemed presenters to join Dr. Batra? Thank you so much, sir. Very, very kind of you. Can you all please clap for our esteemed dignitaries from IDFC First Bank?
And Mr. Rekhi, just to make sure I follow what you say come true. I don't follow protocol. 99% I do, but 1% I'm spontaneous. I would also like to call Dr. O.P. Khandelwal to the stage, Dr. Khandelwal to the stage to give the final set of awards. I'm sure you're queued in, but I don't know the script and I don't want to take a chance. Please give Mr. Khandelwal a big round of applause. Yeah, and you know, Dr. S. Ravi is not here. I think with Rupa ji, Dr. S. Ravi, Mr. Rekhi, Mr. Handa, Dr. Khandelwal, I don't think we would have had more luminaries who are respected for their integrity and impact. So I think please give them a big round of applause. Awards are about integrity and impact. Otherwise awards तो बहुत है दुनिया में. हर तरह के awards हैं. मैं PhD हूँ उस पे तो आप आ सकते हैं. So you know, I do legal awards and I said in the morning, my friends who are big guys in the legal domain, tell me, why do you do the jury? Why can't we win like that? I said, I have to respect my own awards, otherwise there's no point doing it. And people don't believe it till you actually do it for a couple of years and don't listen. So I keep saying, I was telling Rupa ji and Dr. Khandelwal, you have a grandson, I don't. But I keep saying that awards are not perfect, they're close to perfect. People judging people, but we have a locus standi, we have knowledge, we have great jury members. But perfect to do hi log hain. Lord Shiva, and second is my wife. And if you want to add, you can add Mr. Modi, if some of you feel good about adding that. So, you know, awards are a process of elimination, and while we send everything to the jury in advance, I think it's a lot about what you do that day and what is the quality of your presentation at that point. And of course the work, but both have to go hand in hand. It's like Tendulkar also gets out at, now he doesn't play, but I share my birthday with Sir Don Bradman, by the way. But he also gets out, Rohit also, the other greats also, but that doesn't mean they're not great. So some of you who haven't won, and Rupa ji said in her jury that everyone is a winner today. I think as long as you're making an impact, you're making an effort, you're a winner. So it is also an opportunity to interact with each other, get to know more people. So I'm sure the cocktails and dinner will provide an opportunity for that. So final set of awards, Shubho. Yes. Should I call you Shubho or Mr.?
That's your love, sir. Thank you so much. And on that note, we'll now move on to the next winner presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Best CFO Real Estate. Kudos for the gold. Congratulations, Sudhir Singhvi ji, CFO at K. Raheja Corp. Congratulations. Can I have a bigger round of applause for Sudhir ji, please? A bigger round of applause, please, is what we need, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. On that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Retail, and the gold goes to, congratulations, Ramamurthy Rajagopalji, Finance Director and CFO, Tesco Business Solutions. Congratulations, sir. Can I have a bigger round of applause in the room, please, for him? Can I have more noise coming in, ladies and gentlemen? Let's avoid all the sannata.
Mr. Partha Sarthi is here. If there are CFOs who are rock stars and more than rock stars, Mr. Partha Sarthi would qualify. Mr. Partha Sarthi, since you are here, I'd request you to come up and give away some awards along with Mr. Khandelwal. Give Mr. Partha Sarthi a big round of applause. How many of you bought his book or read his book? How many of you bought his book? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think we need to give you an offer on his book, or maybe need to buy. How many of you promised to buy his book? who haven't bought. Books are a good thing to buy. 15 of you at least. Good. I think we should have plugged this book, but I'm sure you can find it. We'll send you a link.
Thank you, sir. Can you all please clap it up once again, ladies and gentlemen, for Partha sir over here. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us over here. Congratulations, Ramamurthy ji. Thank you. Give him a bigger round of applause, please. Zor se thali. Yes, that's the mantra. That's the word. Thank you so much. And on that note, we are going to be moving to the next winner presentation, please. Best CFO Manufacturing. Congratulations for the silver to Mr. Pankaj Kumar, the CFO at YK Laticrate. Congratulations, sir. Can we please have Mr. Kumar over here on stage? Thank you, sir. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Congratulations, Pankaj ji. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, when the photos are being taken, this is the moment you need to clap and appreciate a lot more. Thank you so much, Mr. Kumar. Congratulations. Thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, sir, for joining us today. On that note, we'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Manufacturing. And the gold goes to Mr. Deepak Natarajan once again, CFO Coromandel International. Congratulations to Deepak ji. Can I request all of you, everybody over here in the room, show some love, show some heart. Ensure that your heart is protected in the best way possible by clapping it up loudly for our winner, please. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Mr. Natarajan. Thank you. Wishing you many more awards and accolades in the future. And on that note, we'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Small Enterprise. And the silver goes to Mr. Jigar Shah, CFO at NSDL. Mr. Shah, can we please have you over here on stage? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for collecting it on his behalf. Truly a pleasure. Can you all clap it up for the lady, please? Thank you so much, ma'am. We truly value that. Congratulations, Jigar ji. Thank you so much for taking this on his behalf. Thank you. On that note, we'll move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Small Enterprise Silver, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Mr. Mayuresh Vivek Khalvatgar, CFO at Prasa Infocom and Power Solutions. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Can you all clap it up for Mayuresh ji once again, please, loudly. Can you all clap it up a little louder for him, please? Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mayuresh ji. Thank you. We'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Small Enterprise. Gold goes to, congratulations, Mr. Dheeraj Vashishtha, CFO and Executive Director at HGS India. Sir, the gold is yours, and can you all give a thunderous round of applause for him, please. Dheeraj ji ke liye, there's no need for any Dheeraj to clap. You can clap it up loudly. No need to show patience in that department. आप लोग जोर से बजा सकते हो ताली for Dheeraj ji. Thank you. Bigger round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Two hands. just need to join on stage quickly. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. This is Best CFO Medium Enterprise, and the silver goes to, congratulations, Chandrasekharan V, sir, CFO at Cartech. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us over here. Can you all make some noise and appreciate his incredible victory? That's a result of his consistent hard work and efforts. A little louder, please, everyone in the room. Few more awards to go. We have networking as well post that. Let the energy flow in as smooth as butter. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. We'll quickly move on to our next winner presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Medium Enterprise. And the gold goes to, once again, Ms. Preeti Jera, Chief Financial Officer at K. Raheja Corp Investment Managers. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can you all clap it up for ma'am a little louder, please, everyone? Few more awards to go. Like I requested, let the energy remain and flow smoothly. Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations. On that note, quickly moving on to the next winner presentation, please. It's now time for the Best Financial Team. And the gold goes to NSDL. Congratulations, Gaurav Jangiji, Deputy Vice President Corporate Finance, alongside Arzu Khandelwal ji, Assistant VP at Corporate Finance. Thank you so much. Congratulations to both of you and your entire team. This is, ladies and gentlemen, the Best Financial Team goes to NSDL. A little louder, decibels, let it go higher for NSDL, ladies and gentlemen, yes. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Team NSDL and congratulations to all of you. We'll quickly move on to the next winner presentation, please. Best Woman CFO. Let's see who gets the gold. Ma'am, I'll request you to come on stage again, once again. The one and only Preeti Jera, ma'am, CFO at K. Raheja Corp Investment Managers. Best Woman CFO goes to this incredible lady over here. Let's appreciate her great work. Women empowerment at its very best. Congratulations, Preeti ma'am. Thank you so much. What an absolute pleasure to see you win so many awards, one after the other. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, last 5 awards remaining. I'll request everybody to please clap it up at its very best, and also requesting the winners to stay back for the group photograph that's unfolding right after that. Thank you. Quickly, let's move on to the next one, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold for Best Woman CFO. Make some noise for Miss Mukti Hariharanji, CFO at Coca-Cola India and Southwest Asia. Congratulations, Mukti ma'am. A bigger round of applause is what I can request for her, please. Congratulations. Can you all show some more encouragement and motivation by clapping it up for her, please? Mukti Hariharanji, congratulations. The gold for Best Woman CFO is yours. Truly well deserved. And how? Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to both of you and your teams. And on that note, we'll move on to the next winner presentation, please. It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, for Best CFO Large Enterprise. And the silver goes to, congratulations, Mr. Manav Mehra, Director Finance at Ericsson India. Congratulations. Can I request all of you, ladies and gentlemen, last few awards, like I mentioned, Mr. Mehra के लिए और जोर से आप लोग at the back. Can I have some participation from your end? And can I have some participation from your end, please, for Mr. Mehra? Congratulations, Mr. Mehra. Thank you so much. We're going to quickly move on to the next award presentation, please. It's now time for Best CFO Large Enterprise, and the silver goes to, congratulations, Nilesh Ashok Khamli ji. On behalf of him, we have Saurav Bhanot ji, Senior Vice President, collecting it. So can we please have Mr. Bhanot over here on stage to accept this on behalf of Nilesh ji. Ladies and gentlemen, थालियों की गूंज रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. I believe very little that we can do to appreciate our incredible winners, and that's the least that we can do nicely with a lot of grace. Thank you so much. Congratulations. All right, time to move on to our penultimate award for the evening. Can we have the award presentation, please? All right, time for the Best CFO Large Enterprise. Gold jata hai to make some noise for Piyush Lunawat ji. Mr. Piyush Lunawat, CFO at Alumina Business Vedanta Aluminium Metal. Can I please have Mr. Piyush Lunawat ji over here on stage? Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mr. Lunawat. Can we have some more appreciation coming in for Mr. Lunawat? Thank you. Congratulations, sir. बहुत बधाई आपको, to you and your entire team. We'll move on to our final award for the evening. Let's get going. Can we have the AV, please? It's now time for Best CFO Large Enterprise, and the gold goes to, congratulations, Mr. Arnab Roy, Chief Financial Officer, Maruti Suzuki India. Mr. Arnab Roy, a bigger round of applause for him, please. Congratulations, Mr. Roy. Can you all give Mr. Roy a bigger round of applause, please? Thank you so much. बहुत shukriya, sir. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. I'll request you to remain on stage, and before I request the other winners to join us on stage, we have a special sneak peek of a very special event that we are doing very soon in Bengaluru. It's a specially curated fintech event, so we just want to give all of you a glimpse of that. So this is what it is, and then we'll be having the group photo with all the winners. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it is. The 40 under 40 awards, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the BW CFO Finance. You can see this happening in Delhi in October 2026. Yeah. That's what I also said.
Yeah, you can just announce the FinTech Awards in Bangalore. So, no, I am not the MC.
It's the FinTech Awards. It's the FinTech event in Bangalore that we are doing. And I'll request everybody, all you CFO experts over here, please be a part of the event. That's going to be truly, truly incredible. And the BW Business World team will share rest of the details. Yes, this is the one that we were talking about. Exactly, yes, this is what it is. On the 10th of July, we have the slides playing in for all of you. Some incredible people joining us. This is your first chance for a special sneak peek into the 6th edition of the Festival of FinTech Conclave and Awards. Mark your dates and calendars. 10th July 2026, Bengaluru is the place to be. Yes. Thank you so much. And of course, for more details regarding the event, please get in touch with the team of BW Business World. बहुत shukriya. I'll request all of you to remain on stage, and I'll request, Yes. I'm calling and requesting all the esteemed winners from the day to please come up on stage with your respective trophies. And also, I'll be requesting all our esteemed jury members to join us on stage as well for the special group photograph. Keval.
Mr. Handa, Mr. Rekhi, Rupaji, I can't see more. I saw Mr. Ramesh, but he's not here. I know but yeah, okay. We should have utilized him early.
Thank you so much. Requesting all our esteemed jury members alongside our esteemed winners to please kindly come up on stage with your respective trophies for a special group photograph. And I made this announcement earlier as well. I'm going to be making a quick reminder for all of you over here. This is going to be about a special initiative that the team of IDFC First Bank has bought for all of us over here. So all the winners, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very important. Yes. Sir, I'll request you to please come up on stage. Sir, please come up on stage. I'll request you to please come up on stage. And before we conclude this evening, ladies and gentlemen, IDFC First Bank has a special recognition for all our distinguished award winners from today. As a token of appreciation for your leadership, all the CFO award winners tonight will be receiving a complimentary invite-only IDFC First Bank Gudge metal credit card, along with an IDFC First Bank savings account as a combination package. Crafted for accomplished leaders, the IDFC First Bank Metal Credit Card, ladies and gentlemen, is an invite-only offering that combines premium privileges, superior rewards, and a banking experience designed for exclusive few. Fees for the first year for this special credit card will be waived off, and the Business World team will be reaching out to each and every award recipient for further details. And once again, congratulations to all our winners. And thank you so much for making this evening so wonderful, inspiring, and incredible. I'll request our audience who are seated over here to please clap it up for our winners, jury members, esteemed partners. Without their support, we truly couldn't have pulled this event off. And congratulations to all you stalwarts from the CFO fraternity. I'll request everybody to please kindly follow the instructions of our photographer. Yeah. The official photographer. I know everybody is a photographer with the cameras and mobiles. It's a full house. Everybody, if I may request, please flex your trophies. Thank you so much. Congratulations to one and all. Thank you so much for making this so wonderful and incredible. Bahut shukriya. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you all very, very soon. The next time when we do this, signing off.